Hey, how did you get it on the street? It's supposed to be blocked off.
That's an investigator right here.
Is it, huh? All right, guys, check it out. This is unprecedented. There's a bomb threat at the metro station, and Imperial is closed. How did you get here? They're supposed to be closed. Dude, there's like people coming down the street. They must have started crying. We gotta get to work. I know, huh? Ah! Just go home.
It's Friday.
Yeah. Good Friday on Thursday. Look, and then there's the ghetto birds. So anyway, hey, bomb threat at that metro station. Metro. Let's take a zoom. It's no kind of bueno. Where are... Oh wow, they just detonated it.
Yep, they sure did.
Huh. Yeah. There's a mysterious package, no more. Wow, chip on that. That was killer. Okay.